Edgar W. once said, and I quote, "The question of whether computers can think is like the question of whether submarines can swim." Good morning, everyone. I, Arshi Chopra, am here today to introduce you to the enchanting world of artificial intelligence and the gigantic role it has played in the field of medicine. From the very earliest moments in the modern history of the computer, scientists have dreamed of creating an electronic brain. Of all the modern technological quests, this search to create artificially intelligent computer systems has been one of the most ambitious and, not surprisingly, also the most controversial. John McCarthy, who coined the term in 1955, defined artificial intelligence as the science and engineering of intelligent machines. Since a long time, scientists and doctors have alike been captivated by the potential such a technology might have in medicine. The perfect example of their curiosity would be Ledley and Lusted, who wrote two influential articles in Science, Reasoning Foundations of Medical Diagnosis and Digital Electronic Computers in Biomedical Science, both of which encouraged biomedical researchers and physicians to adopt computer technology. In a world where our increasing expectations of the highest quality healthcare and the rapid growth of ever more detailed medical knowledge leave the physician without adequate time to devote to each case and struggling to keep up with the newest developments in his field, artificial intelligence in medicine is a field of utmost importance. Artificial intelligence in medicine can be used for a variety of purposes. 1. The Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles has introduced a program which allows a computer to analyze a human heart with great precision. The AI takes raw data delivered by a gamma camera, identifies the heart, and reconstructs it into a tomographic image, all with no external help. After the imaging is complete, the AI software puts the image of the heart on its axis for viewing. The specialized signals in the imaging process can detect the differences in appearance of the organ in question, letting doctors know specifically where the organ is damaged or if it's damaged at all. 2. Another new venture in artificial intelligence in the medical field is movement assistance. Elderly all over have long complained of movement-related problems for a long time. New breakthrough AI technology called HAL has been designed to target this specifically. The HAL system is a light layered suit that is worn on the back half of the body. The HAL suit bases its actions from actual electrical signals sent from the user's brain when naturally trying to move a limb. HAL picks up those electrical signals which permit to the surface of the skin, telling HAL where to help using small power units to actually move the limb for the user. HAL constantly uses a system of databases programmed in to help anticipate the speed and power needed with each movement the user makes. If the intended user of the HAL doesn't have usable electrical signal from the brain, if the central nervous system has been damaged, then HAL can still be utilized by robotic autonomous control, as said by the creators of this futuristic technology. It is said, in nothing do men more nearly approach the gods than in giving health to men. This is the new milestone in medicine. This is the new platform in healthcare. Thank you.